All right, folks, we're back. I just got her cut off, and we did the rough grinding with the electric grinder, right? And the bigger stuff down, and then went with the 80 and then 120 on the 90-degree grinder. I got a little into it here. This bit was tough because it had the brake mount on as well, and he welded both sides of it and then both sides up, and then welded a pre-bent 90 onto the corner of it. So we had to cut down and cut in, and then with it being round, it wasn't as easy as cutting off a straight piece. But it's okay. We'll take the file to it now, and do the final metal finishing, and then hit it with the Scotch-Brite pad here, right? On the 90, and get it looking like the rest of the chassis. And we'll go ahead and mark where we wanted to cut it off to put the sleeves up inside, and that'll be it. We'll be ready to go with getting it ready to put the 40 millimeter hangers and everything on. That's what we're going to use on here is all the metric stuff. So that's it. Got her cleaned up and just in time for church. As you see, that clock's a little fast, but 5:56. We got 4 minutes to go. Look, there's Dad in the old Hornet. We got a couple of colors on here. And I wanted to show you this. Look at the porch. That's not an optical illusion. That thing is cockeyed, and it's jacked up in the air a mile. So we'll tune that up too, obviously. But it's coming around. We're just getting started, just getting into it. But that's it. We'll bring you some more next time. Love y'all. Praying for you. Get to church. Godspeed.